think they're all looking at me because
He's tired right now.
he's like, "Eh."
They are nocturnal, Marie.
It tells you what happens. Like this owl was hit by a car, fracturing its wings. While recovering, the bones in its wings fused, preventing it from flying. And listen to that.
Well, he's talking to us.
Yes.
I think he understands what you were saying, Beth.
Maybe. We're
He
so glad
responded
that you
once you.
recovered. You're beautiful.
Yeah. Aw, look at this one. Oh, it's so cute. It's a Falcon columbiferus. Huh. Oh, this is Shay's favorite. Hello there, little guy. Hi. Oh, wow. Could you turn around again, please? You're so beautiful. See what it says about you, then. This male peregrine falcon was born in Detroit, Michigan. It has a left wing injury. It may have been attacked by another peregrine falcon while trying to establish its own territory. It can no longer fly well enough to hunt and survive in the wild. Aww, poor birdie. Hey birdie, can you look at the camera, please? Oh, thank you. Oh, you're turning your back to me, aren't you? Oh, you don't like me, do you?
RJ!
Okay. You are the prettiest little birdie ever. Beth, I found my favorite one.
Here we have Merlin.
Wait, what's your
Down
name?
there. After a electric collision with a
Falco.
did some damage to his right wing. It was severe enough that it had to
Falco.
be amputated. So
Aw.
that was right wing.
Oh, you're so cute, Falco.
He's now unable to fly. A lot of them.
This one had something different, though.
Okay, so this is a falcon. It was
Peregrine
born in
falcon.
Detroit. Okay. It has a left wing injury. It may have been attacked by another falcon while trying to establish its own territory. It can no longer fly well enough to hunt and survive in the wild. So if they didn't take these animals in, they wouldn't be able to survive.
Yeah.
So very cool. No one likes
I like Falco. That one's name was Falco.
Oh, yeah, that kind of makes sense. There's nothing here. I don't see anything.
Unless it's hiding behind us.
Feather thing floating over there. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't see him unless he's over
See another
there.
one that was hit by a car. A lot of them were hit by cars.
Maybe it just died of its injuries or something.
No, they wouldn't set up a special thing for. Yeah, who knows? It's
I don't
probably
know.
inside right now.
Oh, it could be eating actually.
Oh, looking for me temporarily off display. It says or something like that. So they don't have that one out. Is there more around the side here?
Yeah. That's what I thought. I was going that way.
Okay.
Yeah, I realized that one.
Is there anything in there, Jake? Golden eagle. Oh, that would be so cool to see.
Oh, it would.
Wait, right there, Jake. Look.
Oh my gosh, there he is.
Look at that one.
What's it say about him?
The golden eagle was found caught in a trap in northern Michigan near Whitefish Point. Oh, I know where that is. As a result, it lost the hind toe of its right foot. The loss of this toe severely impairs its ability to hunt and requires that it be held in captivity.
Oh, well that's sad.
Yeah. Golden
What's
eagle.
its name though?
I don't know.
Aquila.
I don't know.
I think that's how you pronounce it, Aquila.
That's the scientific name.
Its name's
Unlike
Aquila.
the bald eagle, golden eagles have feathers. Oh, they have feather-covered legs.
Yeah, they do. You can see it right there.
On the picture, yeah, it's kind of hard to see on.
Well, you gotta get closer for you to
Yeah, well,
see
you
it.
can't see because you got the log in front, but. Oh, very cool. Oh my goodness, there's a lot. right eye.
Mm.
Oh, look at that! He flew down just to show off for you, Jake.
Yeah.
With reduced vision, it cannot see well enough to fly or hunt, and would be unable to survive. So,
It said just one eye was bad?
yeah, it just says the right eye.
Huh. Its eyes look normal.
Yeah, there's a lot of hawks. There's one there.
Yep.
Its eyes look okay to me, though.
Left shoulder hawk. This female hawk sustained damage.
Why does he
Oh,
have
in the right eye due to a likely collision with a tree branch.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, I kind of see it.
Yep. So they lost. This one doesn't have any vision, pretty much in the right eye.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of a
Pretty
looking
sad.
bird.
That's sad.
So,
But it's
well,
very
actually,
gorgeous,
all the way
though.
around?
Mia, you think about it. It's very nice that they're here.
Yeah.
They'll take care of these animals.
Yeah, but it's still kind of sad it lost its eye.
Completely around like that.
Not really. It's not able to turn it all the way around.
Oh.
It's still kind of like turned weirdly like ours.
Severe enough to limit both their ability to fly and to effectively hunt in the wild. So they were hit by cars. Oh, beautiful.
How can you get hit by a car when you can fly?
They don't fly high enough, or they don't fly fast enough.
Actually, it just could be that. I mean,
Those
cars.
are
You think about it.
ropes.
Cars are going. They're going pretty fast, and it could be that maybe they were.
Plus,
going
some of them are silent nowadays too.
Oh.
wanting to get some food or something, or maybe they were on the road and they no car come. Who knows?
There's ropes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
There's a
eagle.
bald eagle.
Oh,
That's a good bird.
that's a bald eagle.
Isn't that like the USA?
That is on our dollars and stuff.
Aren't they
Oh, it is?
beautiful?
Hi there. Hi.
Wow. I should
Oh
take
my
There's a
gosh.
strap around.
Oh.
This thing is 20.
Oh my gosh.
There's a strap around the ankle.
Yeah, it's to help keep an eye on it and monitor it. It's not to hurt it.
I thought it was just for a
Like
pet.
that.
No.
It's huge.
What is your this? Oh, wait. 8 or
Hi there.
not as a bony.
Hi.
Yeah, but look at the wingspan. 6 to 7. That's as tall as Alex with the wingspan. Oh, because you're 6 foot, right,
Your
Alex?
neighbor's pretty
Yeah,
noisy.
yeah,
huh?
just a little over. That would be.
Oh, you guys, here's another one.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh. Oh.
This eagle fell out of
Another
nest
bald eagle?
near Saginaw Bay while learning to fly. Oh, as a result, he was permanently damaged in his right wing, which prevents him from returning to the wild. So this one fell out
Guys,
of
there's
his nest.
another one.
Oh, it found your nest.
Yeah.
There's another bony.
There's another bald eagle.
Yeah, he's the noisy neighbor.
Yeah.
Okay, don't be rude to the eagles.
Well, at least I'm not meowing at it.
Although if you meow at it, it might attack.
Yes.
Right, Brady? Oh, he nodded. He nodded. That means he'll attack you if you keep meowing at him. Meow, meow, meow.
Oh, I see.
Like, what the heck are you doing? I think Mia wants to take your jacket.
Yeah. It's about time, guys.
Oh wow, yeah, we gotta
Get
get
a
going
good
now.
pic.
How's your shark?
Oh, it's eating something. It's eating a little mouse. Oh, it's eating. Oh, I'm sorry, Brady. Oh,